Okay, no progress whatsoever in the whole of life for about 6 weeks. So no, the computer hasn't been improved, and I'm now on this buccaneering, swashbuckling superhero. What is his name? Blackbeard. Because the kid's doing pirates at school. So we're going to do this, and we're going to do it in this intermediate method where I have to find the shots on the computer, not edit it or anything because it's all broken, and the sound is awful. I apologise, but anyway, let's make a start. Here we go. Silence, absolute. And I'm sure there was excitement. I wonder.
I said, I'll be doing...
Right, here we go.
Now, in the middle of all the excitement from the last film, and I'm sure there was excitement, I said, I'll be doing this and moving on to that. And what do you know? We're back at school, it's a new term, and they're doing pirates. So drop everything and pull out the pirate model. I bought this years ago and I don't know why. I don't even remember buying it. It's not really the kind of thing I go for. I didn't even know it existed. But somehow it's ended up in my stash, waiting for this very moment. So me and Mini Meltdown, hello Mini Meltdown, here he is. We are going to make this and take it to school. How about that? What do you reckon? So, that's the plan, and what I'm going to do is undercoat it. But anyway, here's the parts. Very interesting. There's a concerned head. Mini Meltdown's got the deck, and he's digging up nothing. And here are the bits. All very big. Digging for diamonds, right. You'll be there a while. Anyway, here's lots of lovely big parts. Very sturdy, thick plastic. It's quite enjoyable. This kind of model. It makes a change. And here's the bit that Mini Meltdown loves the most. So while you're throwing mud everywhere, chum, I think we need to go on with spraying, don't you?
Okay.
So we are going to, or I'm going to spray it up, and Mini Meltdown is going to complain about the smell and run away. Don't you start doing anything, chummy. Got to give it a shake. Right. See you in a little while.
So yeah, Mini Meltdown has this thing about the minute I turn the camera on, he talks in a baby voice, which is very annoying. The other thing is digging for diamonds. Must be his word for spuds, but never mind. Here's part 2. And there we are. Oh look, that's been muted, and here we go. Just a kind of note at this point. Look at the size of the gaps. What a whopper. And it's similar over here. These are only holding together because my thumb's on them. So I've taken this out of the hands of Mini Meltdown because he was struggling and going, what, I'm no good at this. No mate, this model's got a couple of problems. So the consequence is I'm going to have to kind of wham it together with a lot of glue and stuff, and then slap filler in, and then get back to the painting, and then hand it over to him, because he's done some other good bits. We'll have a look at those shortly, I suppose. But yeah, our first crunch point. Things don't fit. That's what you kind of expect with these. It's weird, isn't it, when it's the bigger pieces? Yeah, I guess any sort of microscopic problem down the line gets amplified along the way. But anyway, there he is, Gappy. We'll get it together. Right, well, I forgot I promised that we'd look at what Mini Meltdown had actually done, but he's glued lots of the smaller bits together, like lanterns and stuff. And so suddenly we are this far along, and the gaps haven't got any better. So let's see where we are. Well, we've made much progress, haven't we, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mini Meltdown has been helping, He's put together things like the treasure chest and some of the bits around here, and bits of Blackbeard came together. I've done the painting, and we've also got an additional crocodile for the moment.
You need to look for it.
Yes, you need to look for it, and there's a load of bits. So we've probably got most of the bits together already, but because of the nature of the upcoming bits, it means I think we're only about halfway through. So it gives us an idea of what we're up to. The trouble is, time's running out. Term is whizzing by, isn't it, Mr. Meltdown? Oh, he's busy looking at things. Time's whizzing by, isn't it, Mr. Yes, thank you. So slowly but surely we're working our way through. It probably isn't the finest designed piece of model design, because a lot of the bits don't fit perfectly. But apart from that, it's actually an exciting, invigorating and inspiring model. It's not really for beginners. Simple though it is, the fact that there are so many gaps means it's probably off-putting. So this is for somebody who's made a few and it wants a bit of a change. And I think once it's all together, it'll look all right, as long as you don't look too closely. A good one for filler, if that's your cup of tea. We haven't got time for that kind of thing. So we'll wind it up there. This is where we are at so far. Can't really see the wheel. That's a nice bit of moulding, but could do with a bit of back. So there we are. What do you reckon to it so far, mate?
Approved.
We've got approved. And yes, we'll get it done soon, and then we'll get back to all the serious stuff. So here we go. Saying farewell for now. Might well see you in a couple of days.
Like and subscribe.
There you go. You heard the order. Like and subscribe, dudes. Here we go. Farewell. See you soon. So that's it so far. I did have something to say and I've forgotten. It is precisely midnight and I am going to bed. It's been a while, isn't it? It's going to be a while yet, I think. Anyway, as I said, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Oops.